Just a quick one, this is my £150 mystery box from Gears of War. Let's get it open. What we got? Pistol case. It's an automated shooting thing. That's good. I guess I'd shoot that like that. It's a CPP, or CCTP, shooting game zone, automatic reset target. Cool. Okay. Great. Pistol holster. I don't know what that is. I have no idea. We have a gearing, PPU, lovely. Oh, sweet. Get it out of the package. Helping people find God. Oh. Sweet. We got a pistol. Oh, and I've got my first patch. Sweet. Let's have a look at the pistol, what we got. Seems to be AAP 01. I have no idea what that is. Doesn't look like a 911, really. 1911 either. Look at that bad boy. Never seen these. Quite happy with that though. 150 quid. Mystery box. Came in about a week. Yeah, very happy. Still don't know what that thing is though. Block clock. No idea. Yeah, really happy.